The great gambling addiction. Won at a slot machine after spending some dollars. You think the machine is lucky for you, and you buy some more tokens for gambling. You experience hard luck, and you don't win. Probably thinking of buying some more tokens, then some more, and at the end you lose even your winnings. Next day, some more, then more, and this just seems an endless pattern. Now you are addicted. Yes, that's right. The term addiction was previously used for the addiction to chemical substances like alcohol, nicotine, or drugs. With new research on how our brain functions, there's been findings that state that many substances can be addictive even though they are not chemical in nature. One such addiction is the gambling addiction. It seems that addiction is resultant from the pleasure derived from abusing a substance, but addiction can begin because of depression or some kind of emotional problem. The reasons are many and they are different and unique for every addict. Gambling addiction or pathological gambling is often referred to as a hidden illness. As there are no physical symptoms visible, the American Psychological Association refers to gambling addiction as a mental health disorder, as there is no impulse control over it. There are two types of gambling addictions. One is action gambling and other is escape gambling. Action gambling is when a gambler is addicted to his thrills of taking risks. Action gamblers most of the time are busy playing with others to prove themselves a winner. Escape gambling is due to imbalance of a person's mind or when he is emotionally hurt. Such gamblers prefer playing alone. They are most of the time at the slot machine or playing blackjack. They don't like others playing with them, or they don't want anyone around them. It's found that the teens are more than 3 times likely to be victims of a gambling problem as compared to adults. So it is necessary to make them aware about the dangers of a gambling problem at an early age itself. There are phases of gambling addiction. At first comes the winning phase, where gamblers often win a big amount or win a few times. This in turn prompts them to win more as they begin taking great pride in their winning ability. As a consequence, they may choose to increase the bet amount. Then comes the losing phase, when gamblers begin to lose all their money. Don't take any more gambles in life. Get the help that you need today. Why not have a shot at a tried and test approach? Hypnotherapy might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of getting your gambling under control, however, it is more than likely your best bet. You can even get hypnosis downloads these days, so you can get the results that you deserve in the comfort of your own home and at your own pace. Do something different today, get the results you need and deserve.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.